How to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Messenger tips. If you're trying to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger, here's what you need to know. First, understand that end-to-end encrypted chats are stored only on your devices, not on Facebook servers. This means if the chat is deleted from your device, it cannot be recovered from Facebook. Second, if you've enabled chat backup in Messenger, open Messenger to Settings, Encrypted Chat Backup, enter your backup password or recovery key, then restore your chats. Third, if you switch devices and want to recover chats, make sure you restore the backup on the same account. Only the encrypted backup can bring back the messages. Fourth, check if the chat is archived instead of deleted. Go to Messenger, Profile, Archived Chats. You may find your encrypted messages there. Pro tip: always enable encrypted chat backups and securely save your backup key. Without it, deleted end-to-end encrypted messages cannot be restored. That's it. Now you know how to safely recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment "Recovered" below.